Hey everybody, it's Amy Graham, the Badass Valkyrie, and I have my second order from Falcon Travelers out of the Netherlands, and this I ordered on February 13th, and it came just today, which is March 25th, so just a little bit over a month, and I am so excited. I ordered this through her Fandom event, and if you aren't aware, she does special Fandom events in her Facebook group for her Facebook group patrons, and so I'll link her Facebook group down below. But oh my gosh, I love Monique's work so much, and this is one. It's an A5. And it is something that I have wanted since last year. And I had planned on something a little bit different. And then she became a fan of the fandom that this is a part of. And she started doing some hand-tooled designs based on this fandom. So she had a limited number of hand-tooled designs during this fandom event. Usually it's the engraved versions of stuff, but this one she actually hand-tooled all herself. And I believe I've seen a picture of it online where she was she titled it "The Road So Far," and I'm like, please let that be mine. So I am extremely, extremely, extremely excited. Can I get any more extremely's in there? But I'm opening this up, and I didn't get any, little extras or anything. But she did send an extra. Let me make sure. Okay, we're getting rid of all the little wormies. I'm putting that to the side. I'm so excited. So this is her card, and this has all of her information on it. I'll hold that up as close as I can get so you guys can kind of take a look. But I love her work. And this is I believe the third or fourth Falcon Travelers that I've gotten. This is the third that I've actually ordered directly from her. And then this is the little freebie that she sent, which is awesome. So this is my A5, and it's wrapped. So, whoops. My phone, everything goes off. I'm like, holy cow. And I will tell you right now, I am a huge geek, and I only started watching this show in September. And there are 15 seasons of this show, 326 episodes. I have 4 episodes left, and I am savoring each and every one of them. And, okay. Yes! It is so beautiful! Okay. This is the elastic. I didn't actually want this to be, have an elastic. I wanted it to be a folio. This is baby. And this is exactly what I'm going to call this cover, is baby. This is for the television show Supernatural. And it is beautiful. I wanted it to be, it has the Sunburst coloring on the outside. That's the add-on to it. It's like a rub that she does. And I wanted the natural leather kind of to show through, because in the show, if you've ever watched Supernatural, John Winchester had a journal, and it plays a huge part of the boys' hobby, or, you know, monster killing. And originally I was going to just get a natural A5 with a closure, a snap closure, and call it good. But then she came out with these designs, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I could have the 1967 Chevy Impala and the supernatural symbol together. Yes, please. Please let me do this. And then she hand tooled it, and I'm like, it is so pretty. So you've just got the little card pocket there and her little sample insert, which I'm going to take out. I love these, but I want to put in my insert. And she sews her own inserts, which are awesome. But, oh, it's so beautiful. And it smells amazing. And this is the first A5 that I've gotten from her. And I have a Collier size, I have a B6 Slim, and I have this one. And I love it. Oh my gosh. I just saw a little bit of something that might be in her little goodie bag. So try to save that sticker, but I don't think I'm going to be able to, but maybe. Okay, so usually her TNs come with a bookmark, and I love the little wings there. Those remind me of Castiel. And I wanted her to put Winchester on the little bookmark. I love this so much. I actually have one of my Valkyrie Wings that I am planning to put on the other end of this. And I actually carried those into each battle I did overseas as a competitive sword fighter. And they were my tokens of appreciation or, recognition. And so I have one that I had pulled out to put on the other side of this, but I also love the little demon skull. I think that is so cute. I'm like, oh, I'll be torn, but I love that. So that may just have to go on there instead. But that is so cute. That looks very similar to the skull or the God amulet that Dean wore for a very long time. So that looks very similar to that. So this is the Certificate of Authenticity, and it's the original leather line. It's it's a custom color, which is Sunburst, and I asked her to have more of a black edge around it. It's the A5 Hobonichi, and it's the professional style. That it just has these. So there is that. I'm going to put this charm back in here, because if Tear comes up here, that charm will disappear forever into the nebulous. So, I'm so excited. Okay. So this is currently what my A5s are in. And I don't know for sure if these are going to fit with these covers on. So this is my Soumkine, from Paris, and this is my Hobonichi A5. I'm gonna pull these out. Ooh, taking everything with me, and put those aside, and we will see if they will fit with the cover on cover, which is a Midori cover on cover. So I'm sorry if I'm like going in and out of the screen, but it doesn't look like. I think I'm going to have to do a little bit of stretching to get that in there. So I going to do this a little bit. And this is a little bit. So you can kind of see that, I mean, it's a stiff leather, but it's not like super duper stiff. So, because I really would love to be able to keep the cover on cover to it, just because this sits out on my desk, and while I'm at home right now, in the next few months, it looks like we will be going back into the office. So, oh yeah, that's gonna go. It just takes a little maneuvering. Oh, I'm so excited. So there's, I mean, that would be perfectly wonderful just with just the one book, but this is designed for a cousin to work. So, and this is the Cousin Avec, which is a half a year book. And so I use the Soumkine, let me pull out these page covers, which is a yearbook. It's a full year, but it's also the same size as the Cousin Avec. I keep this in there because I do more bullet journaling in here, and this is just a weekly calendar. So I know people are like, why don't you just get the full cousin? I'm like, there's a method to my madness, usually. So, all right. Almost there. Don't really want to bend the cover too much. And trust me, this would be so much easier if I just took these out of the cover on cover. They would slide in with absolutely no problem whatsoever. But because I'm being obstinate and want the cover on cover to fit in there, and they will, it's just that the leather is a little cold. And because literally I saw it on my front porch, whoop, sorry, and grabbed it and turned on my camera. Because I'm like, there's no way that I'm going to be able to wait at all. So I think there's just a little bit of way to go. Oh, well, it's still got a little ways to go. Let me, oh my goodness. I do often say I'm like a bull in a china shop. So that is absolutely no lie. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're just going to pull the Soumkine out and put it in without any cover on it for right now. Pull that out, and this needs to go in. Just a little bit more, and so I'm just going to have to work it a little bit more. But now that I jammed that in there, it's taking me a minute to pull it out. Remember 2 minutes ago when I said, I'm just going to work it in. It'll be fine. Yeah, I should have just taken them out at that point. But instead, you know, I have to be difficult even with myself. Okay, so we will take this one off as well. And I'm sure it'll be a much better fit. And I will try putting it back in when the leather is not as cold. Let me actually make sure I put just the cover in. As you can see, I'm not having any problems putting in the books without the covers. So there you go. Now the Soumkine is a little bit thicker than the Cousin Avec. That's okay. This will, I just kind of need to train it a little bit because, like I said, it's brand new stiff leather. So, oh, it is so pretty, so pretty. And this elastic, I don't want to put an elastic in right now, as far as I can think of, because it interferes with the lines of baby. But it'll be nice to just hold the leather and let it form around this. But I will tell you now, you will see a lot of baby. Oh, I love this so much. Monique, you have outdone yourself. This is absolutely beautiful. And I'm going to put this guy in. So it goes, and there's my Winchester. So, oh, I'm so excited, y'all. This is so absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I could not be any happier with this. And the fact that it is a piece of art and that, she hand tooled all of this is absolutely amazing. And just, let me see if I can get up close so you guys can kind of see, bring my light over a little bit more. But you guys can see the tooling marks. It is just beautiful. Oh, I'm so excited. I love this so much. So, yeah. This was my Valentine's present to me. And, yeah, I love it. I love it. I love it. And it is absolutely perfect. This is the color of John's journal. And so, or the closest that I could get. And so the fact that it's got these striations in it, if you can see those in the actual natural leather, it is just beautiful. And I love this so much. It is beyond perfect. So here you have it. I have always called having these two together Planner Prime, but now Planner Prime is in baby. So world, baby, baby, world. So there you go. My homage to Supernatural and the Winchesters and baby. There you go. I love it. I love it. I love it. I hope you guys have a great week, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.